Waves are patterns of motion that transfer from one place to another without transferring a matter.
It has two main types, mechanical and electromagnetic waves. Mechanical waves, it consists of disturbance that can only travel in a medium. For example, solid, liquid or gas.
Electromagnetic waves create a disturbance that can travel without a medium.
Water waves and sound waves are mechanical waves as they require a medium for travel.
The light from sun is an electromagnetic wave that can travel with a vacuum of space.
Formation, mechanical wave formed due to the vibration particles of medium.
It formed due to the electric and magnetic field.
Speed, mechanical waves are far or slower.
Electromagnetic waves can travel at the speed of the light.
Nature, mechanical waves are longitudinal and transverse in nature. This is longitudinal and this is transverse.
And my topic is transverse waves. In transverse wave, the direction in which the wave travel is perpendicular is called transverse waves. The example of transverse wave is the wave produced in the rope. When we shake the rope from one side, it will produce the transverse wave and also produce the two parts are called crest and troughs. The part above the mean position is called crest and the part below the mean position is called troughs. Direction of disturbance will produce the angle of 90. The transverse wave is produced due to the up and down movement of particles. In longitudinal waves, the direction in which waves travel is parallel to the direction of the disturbance. For example, if moved to a spring from one place that produce longitudinal waves, the angle between the direction of waves and the direction of disturbance is 0 degree. The longitudinal waves produce to the back and forth movement of particles, compression and rarefaction. In longitudinal waves, that part are spread out is called rarefaction and that part close to each other is called compression.
And my topic is wavelength. In transverse wave, the distance between two adjacent crests and two adjacent troughs is called its wavelength. In longitudinal wave, the distance between two adjacent compression, two adjacent rarefaction is called its wavelength.
Frequency is the number of waves is being sent out in 1 second. It is denoted by hertz. Its formula is number of waves by time. What is the audible frequency range? Humans cannot hear all the frequencies. Humans only can hear from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz are called the audible frequency range. Infrasonic sound having a frequency lower than 20 Hz is called infrasonic. Now what is the ultrasonic? Sound having more than 20,000 Hz are called ultrasonic.
The time required to produce one complete wave is called time period of the wave. It is noted by capital T. The time period is measured in seconds. The time period is the reciprocal of the frequency and its formula is total time over number of waves.
I am Sudesh and my topic is pitch. Characteristics of sound that help us to differentiate between shrill sound and grave sound is called pitch. The pitch of sound depends on the frequency. The higher frequency will be higher its pitch and it will produce shrill sound. The low frequency, the low will its pitch and it will produce grave sound. Abu Huraira have shrill sound. Abu Huraira, please come here to introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abu Huraira. I read in 7th class at Taqwa Modern Secondary School.
Kashif have grave sound. Kashif, please come here to introduce yourself.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muzaffar. I read in 7th class in Taqwa Modern High Standard School, Rohillanwali.